Hey guys, how you doing? It's Eli with the Robinhood portfolios this week. We're doing a little update on things that are going on this week. We've been doing a lot of different things, as you can tell, and the portfolio is actually crazy, crazy busy. What we decided to do this week is dip our foot into options, which I've been doing a lot of research on and trying to figure out how that's going on. And it's actually going okay right now. So what happened is we went ahead. Let me show you the history of what's going on. Let's jump back a little bit. It started on Thursday with everything. Let's see. Started on Thursday with everything. Mm, I don't even remember buying that. Anyways, so I'm just gonna focus on the big ones that I did. And what happened was we did go ahead and do an option with Apple. The first option being this one here. Um, we bought it at, well, here's the big thing. Okay, so I bought this one at 190 price with a 55 cent price limit. So that means I needed to break even at a dollar, $190.55. When the market opened on Thursday, for some reason, Robinhood it didn't go through with this trade. I don't know why. It just didn't go through. All my other trades go through when I set it up for pre-market. Before the market opens, they go through. This one did it, and it really ticked me off. The reason being here, let's go into Apple. Apple is actually what we're gonna be talking about the majority of today, and maybe like one or two more. Oh no, that's Apple, different Apple. All right, um, so being Apple, like I said, we had it at a 190.55, and at the time it was trading at like 190 and like 22 cents. So I knew coming into the next day that I was gonna get a boost and be able to cash in on this. And what happened was it didn't go through. I didn't catch it till like one. I had to do another option trade at 190, I think one or 190 something. Um, and what happened was it jumped up like crazy, guys. It jumped up. It was right here is where it jumped up like $4, $5. Um, but if I would have caught it down here, man, I would have banked on that. And what happened was it jumped up to like with me 194 where I sold. Um, I sold it and I cashed out and I got like $34, but it kept going up. Me thinking, the early market in the morning, I didn't expect the market to be so eager on pricing Apple on the news of all the new stuff coming out on Monday. So it started doing that, and I didn't know that. I thought it was going to be in Monday. And what happened was when I cashed out, I put a put for it to go back down because I'm thinking, hey, it's going to settle down. Everybody got too excited. It's going to come back down. Never did. I ended up just quick selling that to get out of it real quick. Ended losing $28. Put another call on Apple. Here, let me just make another little thing. Uh, Putting another call on Apple. That it was going to go up, and then of course it kept going up that day because it was just being crazy that day. Um, let's see. Levi. We'll talk about Levi in a little bit. Which is this one? So this is the contract. Yeah, this is the contract that I have sold back to them, making that profit. Um, let's see. Expired. These are all the ones from today. Um, I bought at here. Oh, this is the one we're gonna talk about today. So first of all, let's get past that. So just to make it simple, bought first contract, sold, made $34. Bought a put, lost $28. So bought another call, made another $32. And then to on that Friday morning, which is what I really want to talk about, is when I got a hold of these. I was originally going to do these, and what happened was, let's see if I can just pull up the call and the trade options for y'all. See the calls they're not looking so good right now. Everybody's calling for puts. Anyway, so let's see if it's still up here. So this one's here. So these are all new ones. These are all different than what we're doing. But for example, let's say I expect it to go up from the prices at 191, and I think it's gonna go up. This is gonna cost me $4.10. So when you go buy a option, it's gonna cost you have to buy a minimum of 100 shares at this price, whatever this price is over here. So it's gonna cost $410. And for you to even break even, you have to take this number and add it with the striking price. So for you to break even, you need to have the market hit 194.10, and anything above that is your gains. So being that it's being said that, um, I went ahead and bought a call at here for $6.60. And the reason I did that is because the price of the market at the time was like 195, and there was some change. So all I needed the market to hit was 196 and 60 cents for me to get any gains, any profit. And by saying that, everybody knows what happened that day. Apple actually took a dive, mad dive. So we were at one point. So that morning too, and the other thing too, that morning that it opened, it jumped up, and if I could, I would have sold, and I would have had a $220 gain that day for that one trade. But I was out of day trades, and on Robinhood you can only day trade 3 times throughout the week, and I was out, and so I have to hold it, and my contract doesn't end till Monday. So being said that, I have to hold it. So it started going throughout the day. So as of right now, I am actually down $250. Um, Everybody's saying that the the price is gonna go up on Apple on Monday because all the new things. People are saying it's gonna go down. That's the thing. We just don't know. But if you go back to the trade options, it looks like everybody's saying that the puts are in the green. That this is what's gonna happen. That is, it's actually gonna go down. Let's see. Uh, 600. So what I look at a lot of times is the open interest of how many people are interested in this to see if it's worth something. The call that I have bought, over 10,000 people were interested in it, which I thought was a pretty good thing. But like I said, it's a give and take thing. We just don't know. So like I said, this is this is actually where I'm at right now. This is actually mine, and other people are buying it at this price. I had to buy it at this price at the time. It's crazy. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that. So as of right now, we have a total of $660 in this option. I'm really hoping for some sort of spike. Any little profit that I can take other than a loss, I'm gonna take it. I'm hoping for at least a 200 gain out of this. Um, So if you guys have any more information, or hey, if you feel like, hey, nah, dude, it's gonna go down, or hey, no, nah, you should hold that, it's gonna go up. Hey, put it in the comments, help me out here. Like I said, this is me just getting started into options, and I know 600 and something dollars is a lot to just get started, but the way I feel about it, I'd rather have my money teach me a lesson than just sit in my bank account and not do anything for me and not learn nothing out of it. If you guys are going to do options or any sort of investing or trading, make sure that you outweigh the risk and know that, hey, this can lose your money. Don't risk anything that you're not worth losing. So like this money, I'm okay with, hey, if it empties out, because on Monday, if it expires and I don't hit my price, it's all gone. And I have to be wary of that. So I'm not gonna let it exercise. I'm gonna look at it throughout the day, and probably sell midday before the market close. I think this actually sells like an hour before the market close, so I need to be keep an eye out for that. Um, we did have a few other ones, which, like, let's say we did CVS right now, and CVS is actually looking pretty good for me. I put CVS as a put because I thought I for sure know it's probably going to go down from where it was that market open. And right now we're at a $26 gain. And this one doesn't expire until Monday, and I couldn't sell the same day just because of the day trades that I don't have left. So with this one on Monday, we're gonna see what happens. It's probably gonna shoot up a little bit, which I'm hoping it doesn't, but I hope it comes right back down. CVS did say that they were gonna get into the CBD trading, selling of products, so that's actually pretty good news for them. But it's not happening now, so whether people are gonna start buying now just to get ready for it. Um, as you can see, like a lot of people are buying it right now. So we'll see. So I think as soon as the market opens on Monday to see what it does, I'm probably just gonna sell and get out of it real quick before it hops up again. So if you see the pattern here, it looks like it might get ready for another jump. So I gotta get ready to sell that as soon as possible. But other than that, guys, saying that, I had to go ahead and to make that trade, I had to put in another 300 and another $161. I did went ahead and sell off my two stocks. that I was holding at a loss. One of them, oh no, this is a NIL put. I actually made 10 bucks on this one. So that was good. This is the CVS. I think it's this one. So yeah, this one I actually had to sell this one at a loss. So I lost like 28 bucks on this one. And then where's the other, this one right here? I had lost probably another 28 bucks on this one too. So losing some money here. So hopefully Monday being the day that it is with all the news coming out with all the new stuff from Apple, hopefully we can go ahead and get a gain out of that. We can put the everything back to where it was, and then of course I'm gonna take this money that I put it back in my portfolio. I'm gonna take it out, throw it back into my bank account, and use my profits to for the next option trade. So we'll see what's going on, see what happens, and go from there, guys. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day. Just kind of just showing you a little bit of everything. Having a great day, and just hopefully this next Monday is gonna be really good for us. Um, I will always say Apple is a good stock to own. um, Trading it, option trading it, it's give and take. You have to know what you're doing. Like I said, I'm nowhere near knowing what I'm doing, but considering that it looked like it was very favorable for me, it was awesome. So like I said, I'm just risking it, see what's gonna happen, and go from there. We're not gonna talk about Levi today because, like I said, I didn't really put much into it. I actually helped my cousin. We're actually at his house at the time, and he actually went in and bought 350 shares of Levi at the time. On the first trade, we day traded it, and we got him at like a $204 profit. And then Friday we did it again, got him another $104 profit. But not with options, but with the actual shares. So he was pretty happy about that. So that was a pretty good trade. I just bought one just to have it in there and see what it does with it. But um, if you look at, let me just look at Levi real quick. If you look at Levi yesterday, oh my God, it dipped. Um, so Levi came out at 17. It jumped all the way, I think at one point to like 23 something. And then yesterday, like afternoon, see, like right here, afternoon time, it went from 227 and it just flew down. It was crazy. So I think everybody just got, we're done with this. We're gonna go ahead and move on to something else. So see what happens with that. So keep an eye on that. The new PO. Will you also, guys, get ready? If you don't have your money stacked up yet, you need to get your money stacked up for the end of the month. Pinterest, I know for sure. Lyft is coming out. Uber should be coming out pretty soon with their IPOs. So get ready for those guys. There's going to be some monsters, monsters, monsters. I believe they're saying Lyft is probably going to come out trading anywhere from $50 to $70 range. So make sure to get your ducks in a row if you want to get your hands on some of that. It's gonna go. I feel like that's gonna be a bigger monster than Levi was, and then Uber's gonna be a bigger monster than Lyft. So get ready for those things just when they come out, so that way you can have everything ready to make sure you know what you want. I am stacking up my money for Lyft as well. My cousin's probably gonna day trade the the stock, and I'm probably gonna do the option thing as well because it's gonna shoot up right off the back. So I'm gonna get into it as soon as possible and just see where the market hits and then go from there. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy your day. I'll see you next time. Hit me on my Instagram, follow me on this page if you haven't already, sub, like, and comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Talk to you soon. Bye.